Imagine being alone in a place with no living being except you. The only thing you can see is the sea from bottom and the sky from above, with not even a little piece of land nearby. You might be wondering, is there even a place like that? For the God's sake, yes! Today I am going to tell you about the Nemo. No, not that Nemo. Today we are going to talk about the Point Nemo. Alright, let's get in. Point Nemo is the most remote and the loneliest place in the entire world. It is known as the oceanic pole of inaccessibility and a desert in the ocean. The meaning of Nemo in Latin is no one. There is also a reference to Jules Verne's Captain Nemo. The Point Nemo occupies 10% of world's oceans. It's located in the South Pacific Ocean. The coordinates to the Point Nemo are these. You can check the link in the description below so you can check the coordinates on Google Maps. As you can see, there is nothing except blue ocean water in Point Nemo. If you want to visit Point Nemo, you first have to book a flight and arrive at Chile. It's 1,600 miles, which is 2,600 kilometers away from the coastline. It's one of the most challenging locations to reach. It takes 15 days, 10 hours, 37 minutes to get to the Point Nemo, even from the fastest boat ever made. So, if you have an idea about visiting Point Nemo, let me know in the comment section down below. Scientists have found out that Point Nemo is the least biologically active region because there is nothing except water. The reason for this is nutrient-rich currents can't reach it and it's too far away for the winds to carry organic matter. As I have mentioned above, there are no sharks, no dolphins, no whales, no fish and no turtles in the Point Nemo. But scientists has found a type of bacteria at a depth of 65 to 16,000 feet, which was also has been discovered in other parts of oceans. This is because there is a line of underwater volcanoes near the Point Nemo which releases chemicals when they erupt, which bacteria are fed on. The nearest inhabited land next to the Point Nemo is the Easter Island with a population of 7,150. The distance between the Point Nemo and the Easter Island is 2,689 kilometers. The distance between the International Space Station and the Point Nemo is 416 kilometers when it is revolving from above the Point Nemo. So you see, the distance between Point Nemo and the ISS is closer than the distance between Point Nemo and the Easter Island. Did you know that the Point Nemo is also known to be the cemetery or the junkyard of rockets? Because the useless rockets are dumped in the Point Nemo. Most of the rockets burn in the atmosphere and the ones that don't fall down to the Point Nemo. The reason for this is there is no one in the Point Nemo, so no one will be harmed. Next time when you visit the Point Nemo, if you saw something like an asteroid, remember that it's just a useless rocket. There is a myth that there was an ancient city near Point Nemo called Riel, and that city was home to a tentacle-mouthed human dragon monster named Cthulhu. Seems pretty scary, right? In 1997, scientists had discovered a mysterious underwater sound named bloop. Let me play it for you. Wear headsets to get best experience. But, however, it turns out to be the sound of glaciers, so there are no monsters. Well, that was the story for today. Please don't forget to drop a like below and subscribe to my YouTube channel Chiran6000. Thanks for watching and peace out.